Module 3, Lesson 1, Saving and Emergency, Planning the Foundation of Financial Security. Welcome to Module 3. In this module, you will learn why savings matter, a specific emergency, fund, strategy, and the difference between short-term and long-term saving. Why is this module critical? Because it creates safety, reduces stress, builds opportunity, and protects your future. Lesson 1. Why savings matter. Savings equals peace of mind. Savings protect you when life surprises you. Remember, saving is not about income. It's about habit, mindset, and consistency. Saving money is not just a financial action. It is a psychological transformation. Reason number 1. Emergencies happen. Illness, job loss, unexpected bills, or sudden expenses. Without savings, these situations become crises. With savings, they become manageable problems. Reason number 2. It reduces stress. Without savings, you face fear and instability. With savings, you feel calm, secure, and confident. Financial stress destroys productivity, but savings reduce that stress dramatically. Reason number 3. Savings create opportunity. They let you invest, start a business, relocate, upgrade your skills, and grab opportunities when they appear. People without savings lose opportunities, but people with savings grow. Your savings are a shield. They protect you against debt, traps, inflation, and sudden financial shocks. Why do people fail to save? Often it is because they say, "I will save later," or they struggle with impulse spending, have no strategy, or believe their income is too low. But small savings grow big. Even $1 a day becomes $30 a month or $360 a year. Small habits create huge results. Rule number 1 in savings: pay yourself first. Save before you spend, not after. If you wait for leftover money, it will never exist. Savings must be a priority, not an accident. Saving brings you freedom. Savings equals power. Savings equals control. And savings equals options. It changes your future. In summary, you save to protect your life, reduce your fear, and build real opportunity. Coming up next, we will build your emergency fund strategy. This is your step-by-step action plan.